So guys, we've just checked into our hotel, which is Hotel Saint-Germain. I will leave the link below, and this is our beautiful room. Just give you guys a quick room tour. Over here you have the bed with beautiful macarons to greet us. This is lovely. We have a nice view, very Parisian view. I'm sure I can open up the window later, but this is just stunning. I'm so happy. And then we have a desk, some water, we have the TV. This is the beautiful bathroom. Oh wow, I love the color of this bathroom. It's like our bathroom back home with all grey and white. Got a bathtub, shower, and me. Hi guys! I'm so happy right now. So friends, this is what a 4-star hotel is supposed to be like. I am so happy we've checked into this place. The front desk was so friendly and helpful. There's a gentleman called Michael, and he just gave us the best recommendations. He was so welcoming upon arrival. I just love this area as well, Saint-Germain-du-Pré. So I do apologize for not checking in with you guys since we arrived in Paris. To tell you the truth, I didn't feel comfortable at all vlogging from our previous hotel. It was literally a catfish. It was so very old, but not at all taken care of. The carpets were filthy. I feel like they had so much dust in it, and I feel like this is exactly where I got these little bumps from, is from dust mites on the bed or on the carpet. When we booked it online, it said that it was a 4-star hotel. After doing a bit of research upon arrival, we found out that their 4-star rating ends in 2023. At best, they were a 2.5 or 3-star. Do not ever book at Villa Bon Marche. So let's leave that experience behind and start off with this beautiful hotel and a wonderful experience already. I mean, we've only been here a few hours. And I really hope now with this new room and better energy that I'll be able to sit down and talk to you guys more. So today we basically left the Death Hotel. We took an Uber to, oh my gosh, I can see someone on their balcony. It's so lovely. We took an Uber to this hotel, on the way seeing some sights like the Notre Dame, which is actually currently being rebuilt. And then when we got here, we went to Le Bon Marche, which is like a shopping center with all the high-end brands that I need. There was Dior, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Loewe. I even went to like a little Kate pop-up, Maison Martin Margiela pop-up. It was brilliant. After we went window shopping, we decided to go try some crepes or galettes at this place called Brett's Cafe. So we've come today to Brett's Cafe. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. We've ordered the scallop galette and also the lobster galette. You excited?
For sure. Just looking at that seafood, incredible.
I know. Bon appetit. Yum. It was delicious. Highly recommend that as well. And then we slowly made our way back here where we found our bags had already been brought to our rooms for us and beautiful macarons had been left on our bed. So now, not too sure what we're gonna do. I definitely knew I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys for a second just to touch base and let you know what's been happening. Right now, I'm feeling super happy, super positive, and very grateful that we've checked into this lovely hotel. All right, friends, I'll touch base with you guys later. Friends, just a quick outfit of the day check. Mike, you've got on
expensive black things.
You've got the mantle boucle shirt. You've got
En
the
plissé
en
hoodie.
plissé hoodie. Nice.
Needles track pants.
Needles track pants and the shoes.
The same shoes I've worn every day
Because they're comfy.
because we do a lot of walking.
I'm wearing the Frankie Shop suit. It's like a shirt and pants set. I've got my Burberry boots and an Hermès scarf and my Chanel bag. Hi friends! Today is shopping day at Champs-Élysées. We've already made a stop at Hermes, as you can see, and I bought something very small. I did ask for the few things that I wanted and they had basically nothing other than this thing that I wanted. But that's fine. We got to see inside the store. It was really beautiful, but we'll probably end up going to more Hermes stores as well. Okay, thank you so much. This place with all the eclairs. Oh my god. That looks amazing. I'm gonna have to have one. Babe, I think I'm gonna have to have one. The passion one. Bonjour. It looks so good. Wow. Chocolate au lait. Fruit de la passion, and they also have like tarts and stuff there. Amazing. So friends, we're on the rooftop at Galleries Lafayette, as you can see from the beautiful view. And it might be too glary, but you can see the Eiffel Tower just there. It looks stunning. But I think what looks the most stunning is this.
Is you?
No, is this eclair that we got. Oh, it's a passion fruit eclair. My mouth is watering, which we're gonna eat right now. Can I have the first bite, darling?
Do I have a choice?
No. Oh my god.
Damn.
That is really good. It has marzipan inside as well. Lots of passion fruit. I'm gonna give some to Mike now. That's a big bite, B. What do you think? Good? I don't know what these things are on top, but they're kind of crunchy. So friends, this is the second thing we bought. I don't even know how we're going to eat this because it's like an actual slice / cake. The guy warned us about this, saying that it's very vanilla-ish with 2 vanilla beans in this one cake. So I've learned to eat pastries like this as we're traveling. Oh wow. Wow. I wish I knew what it was called, but that's fantastic. It is very vanilla-y, but it's delicious. Friends, we are crossing over to the ladies' side now, and this is a bridge that connects the men's side to the ladies' side. Hi friends. We thought we would get some of our favorite takeaway onigiri rice ball type things.
Do they call it omusubi?
Yeah, the place is called omusubi, so
Yeah.
we thought we'd get some of them and bring them back to the hotel and just eat that for dinner because we are exhausted. Yeah,
This is heavy.
I've never done a mukbang, so I thought
There you go.
let's give it a go.
Not one, but two.
So we ordered 4 salmon onigiri, 2 kombu, which is seaweed, and 2 takana, which we know as like mustard greens. I'm gonna go in for the salmon first. Darling, what are you gonna go in
We'll
for?
switch.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What are you going in for?
Probably the kombu.
All right, let's do it. That's what it looks like. It's so chunky. It's a chunky boy. Itadakimasu.
Simple.
I'm half
Fresh.
asleep. You know when you eat something good and you can sleep? Or is it just me?
When can't you sleep?
Legit. This is so good. They were making it fresh as well when we got there. I think they must go through so much a day. They open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So the salmon is like cooked salmon. I think it has a little bit of mayo in it. Not too much though. And maybe a bit of what looks like pickle. It's so good.
And with this one, the kombu is definitely been drenched in a soy sauce. So it's super salty, delicious.
I've said to Mike before that I could eat this every day, all day for every meal.
And those people which have been to Japan and have ordered the onigiri, it's very similar to that, but I'd say twice the size, twice the volume what you'd normally get from Family Mart.
It's hella thick with 2 C's. So you guys might be wondering like, hey Mae and Mike, what are you guys having to drink with your mukbang? Mike just made us some chamomile
I
tea.
don't think anyone's wondering anything.
And they wonder. They think like, oh, what are they drinking? Anything special?
Oh, definitely
Absolutely not.
definitely Campari shots.
I did ask Mike if he wanted to stop for an Aperol Spritz on the way back in one of those cafes.
But Mae said she broke her foot.
Yeah.
So it didn't make
I
any
thought
sense.
I broke my foot. My left foot. It hurt so much that I like barely could walk.
And is it better now?
It's fine now.
Okay. Comment down below if you'd like more updates on Mae's foot condition. I'm sure we can give you updates about how it's going. Is it the boots? Is it the sneakers causing the problem? Is it just walking 15 kilometers a day?
Is that how much we've been walking?
Okay, only 12 kilometers today. Yesterday was 15 kilometers. The day before was 12 kilometers. The day before was 15 kilometers. 18 kilometers.
Guys,
Okay.
now you can see why I thought my foot was broken.
So thanks for tuning in to our first mukbang, which we didn't actually finish the food. We ate very little and we talked about it at least. So tune in for mukbang part 2.
Wait,
if we
guys,
can't finish the food, we'll have a part 3
Wait, guys.
coming for you as well.
Wait, I have a question though, and maybe you can answer by pausing and writing in comments. Do you think we should do a pastries mukbang? Pause now and let me know. Regardless, I'm gonna do it. All right, thanks friends for joining us for our first ever mukbang.
Thank you.
Let me know if you want to see Mike in more of my videos because he's so cute. Friends, we decided to come to Yakuza to try their sandos. This looks amazing. I'll just show you Mike's first because he opened the box. What did you get?
This is the salmon katsu sando.
So nice. And I got the aubergine miso. I haven't looked at it yet, but let's go. Wow. Oh, that's the aubergine inside. Lovely. We also got some spicy fries with nori. And I got a ginger beer. It's gonna be so good. Alright, let's give it a go. Delicious. Nice and fresh. What do you reckon?
Very good.
Salmon looks really well cooked, the way that you like
It's
it.
actually really nice on the light.
Yeah, I noticed mine is the same too. Hi friends!
Hi friends!
So it's raining cats and dogs outside and we couldn't film much today. We did go and have some lunch at Yakuza,
Katsu, Sando and coffee shop.
It was delicious. But
after something savory,
we need something sweet. So we thought of doing another mukbang.
we're just eating.
We just like to eat. So we got some mochi from this place called Maison du Mochi.
This one loves mochi.
I love mochi. So the flavors we got, as you can see, great, like matcha, chocolate, pistachio, and yuzu citron.
I was kind of swayed to go here because of the name of the place. This is from Oui.
Isn't it? Oh, oui.
Oui. So
Oh, that
anyhow,
looks good.
I have a lovely Paris breast eclair and flan.
So that's the
Flan.
flan. Please
Yes.
don't drop that.
And then we have a Paris breast eclair.
What's inside? It looks so good.
I don't know.
Alright, so what should we try first for you guys? Should we try the mochi or the flan?
Is this edible?
Is
Oh,
it?
it's cardboard.
Are we trying
No.
the flan first? I think we're trying the flan first,
I'm
guys.
flanning. Really nice. Less sweet. More.
That's perfect. Sorry for the ASMR noise as we eat. Or if you like ASMR, I hope you like the ASMR noise as we eat. This is fantastic. I've never tasted anything like this. And the quality is amazing.
The
The
biscuit's
biscuit
really nice.
base is really interesting. If I lived in Paris, I would definitely want that again. Shall we cleanse our palate with a non-sponsored drink? What's next? Mochi?
Yeah.
So friends, we're going to try the pistachio and the matcha mochi. This is super beautiful. I am not eating mochi from the supermarket ever again. Oh my gosh. What do you think? What is
It
this?
needs a moment. You don't understand.
Oh, I will understand. Trust me, you don't understand this.
No. No.
Swap.
Okay. Really rich, but sweet sencha.
That's good, but can I be controversial? I like that one better.
Switch.
Switch. I just feel that as a mochi lover, this is like a
Classic.
classic flavor and something that I was craving. You want another mochi next, or do you want to have the eclair? To be very honest, I'm feeling quite full already. We're terrible at mukbang, aren't we? We're like, let's mukbang, and then we eat 2 out of the 6 things we bought.
How about we go 10 minutes later?
Okay. 10 minutes later. Okay, we're gonna eat the other things, even though we're quite full. But we're doing this for you guys. Alright? We wouldn't do it for anybody
We
else.
will suffer, so you have content.
Okay, I feel like I want to have a bite of each of the flavors of mochi and then leave the rest for later. What about you? What are you gonna do?
Okay. Taste test.
Taste test.
Let's do
Yuzu.
chocolate. So this one is chocolate.
And that one's yuzu.
Oh, she's straight in. There's something.
Holy mochi. This is amazing. Oh my god.
Mine's crunchy.
You're gonna love this. You're gonna love this so much. You're gonna love this. I know you. Swap.
Okay.
Why is yours crunchy?
Don't know. How do you not have stuff all over you?
I'm a seasoned mochi eater. Right?
It hits you. Boom.
Boom. This is like a Ferrero Rocher mochi. What is last and not least?
What is last is this one here.
Wow. I don't know why it's called Paris Brest, B-R-E-S-T. I thought it meant like Paris's best. I have no idea.
No.
If you know what Paris Brest means, please leave it in the comments below because I'm not too sure. I might Google it after this anyway. Hello, you didn't even wear... What is it?
Not bad.
I feel like we should have got the other thing that she said was really good. The cheesecake.
Oh, this is nice though.
This is like a eclair with Ferrero or something like that.
Try.
It looks very
Give
crispy
the
on
people
top.
what they want.
This has chocolate, coffee in it as well. Taste it again. It does feel like it has coffee in it as well. I think we're sugar high at the moment. Look, I'm okay with that one. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody. It's not like it's bad. It's just that there are better eclairs to have in Paris than this one. Maybe I've been spoilt by how amazing the pastries are here in Paris. We're going to now pass out from all the sugar and we may see you guys later. We might go for a late night walk to see the lights at the Eiffel Tower. Hi friends. So we are rushing to see the Eiffel Tower light up. It's gonna light up in a few moments. This is fine. I'll show you what we can see. That's the Eiffel Tower there. So we're just trying to make sure we see the lights, which I think are gonna be probably in like 1 minute or two. I hope we've got the times right because I heard that they're reducing their times during winter. It is so cold. We sped walked here. I am sweating. I'm wearing a beanie and I look very unglam at the moment, but I'm sure it'll all be worth it for this beautiful sight. Look at that, friends. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Worth the brisk walk in the cold to come and see. Gosh, it's really breathtaking. I hope you enjoyed that we took you along with us to see this wonderful sight. Friends, that was so wonderful. Darling, what did you think?
Oh, just to be here and experience it was totally worth it.
Totally worth it. Now I have to figure out what I want for dinner. I kind of really want to try French onion soup and maybe a salad at like a cool French bistro. flagship store here in Paris. This is crazy. Bag, guys. Oh well, not the bag. Here it is. Why does everything taste so good in Paris? Like, wow. Friends, it's a rainy day in Paris, as you can see from over my shoulder. So we have gotten some lunch from a bakery and we're going back to our hotel room to eat some of our lunch. Last night in Paris. I'm gonna drink wine. Last morning in Paris.
Hey friends, it's our last morning in Paris. Today I'm going to have a croissant and maybe a pain de chocolat.
Great French accent.
Puree de fruit.
I'm gonna miss this place. Hi friends, it is our last day in Paris. We are leaving on a flight tonight at 10 p.m. So right now we're just taking it easy. We're at the Jardin du Luxembourg, which is a beautiful garden. There's a little bit of sunlight. It's a bit overcast at the moment and a bit windy. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here and chill, and maybe we'll head out for a second coffee of the day. and then head to the airport at around 5:30 because I have so many tax-free claims to process. I thought it would be best that we head to the airport pretty early. So friends, if you would like to see more of these types of videos, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video somewhere else around the world, or maybe back home in Perth. But for now, bye friends.